Build with BraPeter. Today, I was thinking about doctors. A doctor might explain high blood pressure 20 times this week, then explain diabetes another 20 times, then explain medication side effects another 20 times. The doctor is not repeating because they enjoy repetition. The doctor is repeating because every patient deserves understanding, but repetition is expensive. What if every patient could live with access to the doctor's preferred explanations? The same knowledge, the same care, available after hours, available at home, available when the patient finally remembers the question they forgot to ask. The doctor remains the healer. The system becomes the memory. Sometimes the problem is not a lack of expertise. Sometimes expertise is trapped inside one person. The build is not about artificial intelligence. The build is about making knowledge available. I'm BraPeter. Let's build.